I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making it safe and forcing the control to reevaluate errors. Turn power off at the wall and shut the water supply. This prevents shocks and leaks. Once done, clear excess water with towels and check the filter area for visible debris. Now reset the machine, hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds or unplug for 1 minute, because an E15 often latches after a minor fault and a reset tells the board to try normal operation again. After the reset, you need to inspect the internal anti-flood system. Pull out the lower rack and remove the kickplate to reach the sump and float chamber. This exposes the E15 wet switch area. Once exposed, lift the sump cover and clear sludge, bits of glass, and food that trap water, because trapped liquid keeps the E15 active. Then wiggle and test the float and the adjacent sensor. If they stick, cleaning or freeing the float usually restores normal operation. Drying and testing finish the fix. You must dry the float chamber completely. Use a cloth and a low-power hair dryer at a safe distance so you don't melt plastic, because residual moisture triggers E15. Reassemble parts, turn water and power back on, and run a short rinse cycle while watching under the machine for water. If the E15 error reappears, make sure wiring connectors to the float and PCB are seated. If still unresolved, record the model number and seek qualified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.